Do you think age and immaturity will be considered when the jury eventually gets this case?
I sure hope it takes it into account because, you know, I'm a criminal defense attorney, so I apologize if my defense attorney stripes show a little bit here, but I stand for one of the propositions that nobody should be judged on their worst day, and multiply that by a factor of 10 for a kid, okay? Because kids make mistakes every day, and they grow and they learn and they change day by day, and they mature and they learn from the mistakes that they make. Now, this mistake is a mistake he's never going to be able to take back. And so there are going to be consequences for this mistake if he was not defending himself. If he was defending himself like any other citizen in our country, he has a right to do it. But if he wasn't defending himself and this mistake was something where he took someone else's life and he did it with malice and he did it in the wrong way, there should be consequences for it. But should the consequences on somebody who was 16 at the time be the same for somebody who's a grown adult? I sure hope not in this country. I sure hope not. And I sure hope that a jury and a judge take that into account. I sure hope so.
Absolutely, Jeffrey, and only have about 15 more seconds with you here. Quickly, should he take the stand? I know he has to convince a whole jury that he feared for his life, but that means we have to hear from him. That essentially requires him to take the stand, does it not?
Unless there's a witness to the self-defense, he damn sure better.
Absolutely. All righty. Thank you, Jeffrey Wolf, for joining us this hour. Appreciate your insight.